Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Hotjar and stop UI session overlays easy tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall Hotjar from your website, start by logging into your Hotjar account. Navigate to the Sites section in the dashboard. Locate the site you wish to uninstall Hotjar from. Click on the site name to open its settings. Next, scroll down to find the tracking code section. You'll see the code snippet used to install Hotjar. Copy this code snippet for reference, if necessary. Now, open your website's content management system. If you're using WordPress, go to the dashboard and select the Appearance tab. From there, click on Theme Editor or Customize. If you installed the code manually, look for the header.php file. For other CMS platforms, locate where you added the Hotjar tracking code. Remove the Hotjar code snippet from the header section. Save your changes and exit the editor. If you used a plugin to install Hotjar, go to the Plugins section in your dashboard. Find the Hotjar plugin in the list. Click on Deactivate to disable it. After deactivation, click Delete to remove the plugin entirely. Once all steps are completed, confirm that the Hotjar overlays are no longer appearing on your site. To ensure the uninstallation was successful, refresh your website and check for any Hotjar elements. If the overlays are gone, you've successfully uninstalled Hotjar. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.